Hey friends, we came outside for this science experiment because it can be a little bit messy. It's called elephant toothpaste. So what do we start with? In this container, we have 3 ingredients. We have hydrogen peroxide, we have a little bit of dish soap, and we have some food coloring just to give it color.
We don't know if it will explode or not, because if it works, it will explode a little.
Yeah, so we're gonna give it a try and see what happens. In this beaker right here, I have warm water mixed with yeast. Now when these activate together, it should give us a pretty cool little explosion. So here goes nothing. You're gonna pour it in, and then we're gonna back up and run away from it, okay? You ready? Pour it in fast. Back up. Whoa! Look at it go!
Look at that.
How neat is that? You're coming closer so we can see it. Look at that. And if you're wearing gloves like we are,
You can touch it.
you can touch the elephant toothpaste.
Look at that elephant toothpaste.
So cool. Now if you use a stronger hydrogen peroxide, like a hair activator kind that hair salons would use, this can really explode and be a giant explosion. We use just your regular everyday hydrogen peroxide that you have in the house. And so if you want to try it out, that's what you can do. We'll post the materials and ingredients and amounts for you. Check out that. Boom. So fun. We're going to play for a little bit. See you later, friends.